take food that would be going to landfill or anaerobic digestion and re-deliver it out to a network of charities that we work very closely with. Presently our cardboard's being collected by a refuse collection company, but we seem to create quite a lot of waste because we don't break it down in the correct manner. At the depot, we create probably about 6 tonnes worth of recyclable waste each month. We're very excited to have received our package today. It's going to make a massive difference to our operation here in Poplar.